Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting a Google Chrome profile error occurred. So whenever you're trying to open up Google Chrome, you might be getting this profile error alert. This tutorial will hopefully show you guys how to resolve it. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. I want to type in the % and then local app data and then another % This should open up the local app data file folder in the search results. You want to just left click on that one time. Now you want to go ahead and double click on the Google folder, and then same thing for Chrome, double click on Chrome and then double click on user data. Now double click on default. Scroll down to get to the web data file right here. So right now you either want to right click on it and delete or left click on delete on your keyboard shortcut. Once that's deleted, we suggest restarting your computer and hopefully that's resolved the problem. And once you're done with that, we suggest closing out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that's resolved your issue. So I do hope this brief tutorial has been able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.